Indian spice brands are under the scanner in Hong Kong and Singapore. That's MDH and Everest.
सिंगापुर, हांगकांग और मालदीव्स के देशों ने इन मसालों को अपने देश में बैन कर दिया है.
Don't be confused, this video is all about making sambar powder at home. Welcome to Comfy Eating. For this recipe, we will dry roast all ingredients mentioned here separately to bring out their best flavors and then grind them into fine aromatic powder. In the beginning of this video, you saw some shocking news about certain masala powders. It was especially surprising and honestly upsetting for me to hear about MDH sambar powder, as it's been the one I had been using most of the time. I don't know if any damage has already been done, but I want to make sure there's no more harm going forward. That's why I decided to start making my own masalas at home. So once I got into it, I realized it's not only easy but also far more flavorful than the store-bought ones. Now I'm not saying all store-bought masalas are bad, some are actually good, but the difficult part is figuring out which ones to trust. In today's world, it's almost impossible to avoid packaged foods entirely, but we can make small changes wherever possible. So for me, this started with making my own masalas at home, and now I genuinely enjoy the process. Alright, I think I've talked enough about masalas, and we have already dry roasted all the ingredients that is needed to make our sambar powder. We will let these ingredients cool for a while and then grind them into a nice fine powder. After grinding, we will let the powder cool completely before storing it in an airtight container to keep it fresh. To give this recipe a try, you just need to add 2 tablespoons of this sambar powder to a tempering of mustard seeds and curry leaves, and then mix it with your cooked vegetables and dal. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more simple and interesting recipes. Thank you for watching.